Okay, so we're going to talk about my top three remedies for colds. So I have a tincture that I make for colds. It includes turmeric. It includes 98 proof vodka. It includes ginger. It also includes garlic and Himalayan salt. Uh, you can always Google how to make a tincture. So I use that. Or if I don't have a tincture made or I've run out, quick easy fix would be just to do some lemon raw honey tea. Throw in some pink Himalayan sea salt, or you can do sea salt, and then you can even dash in some garlic salt into that. If I have, a fever with it, so fever, cold, cough. Throw in some cayenne, a little cayenne pepper, a little turmeric, a little ginger into my lemon tea with the raw honey, and then boom. Let few days go by, maybe a week, and I'm good. I do the same thing for my children, except my tinctures for them don't include alcohol. I substitute it with food grade vegetable glycerin. Alright, so those are my top three cold and cough remedies.